Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's very important for all of us, retiring early. But did you know that there are a few silly mistakes that you might be making right now that could be keeping you from retiring early? In this video, we'll talk about those mistakes and show you how to avoid them. 1. Saving too little. The first mistake that could keep you from retiring early is not saving enough. It's simple: the less you save, the less you'll have in retirement. To avoid this mistake, you need to make saving a priority. Start by creating a budget and setting aside a portion of your income for retirement. You can also look for ways to cut off your expenses and increase your income, so you can save more. 2. Misallocating your portfolio. The second mistake is misallocating your portfolio. This means that you're not investing your money in the right mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. If you're too conservative, you might not earn enough returns to retire early. On the other hand, if you're too aggressive, you might expose yourself to unnecessary risk. The key is to find the right balance that works for you. You can talk to a financial advisor or use online tools to help you find the right mix for your portfolio. 3. Trying to time the market. The third mistake that could keep you from retiring early is trying to time the market. This means that you're trying to buy and sell investments at the right time to maximize your returns. However, this is extremely difficult to do and can lead to losses. Instead, you should focus on a long-term investment strategy that involves buying and holding quality investments. This will help you ride out market ups and downs and earn steady returns over time. Conclusion. So there you have it, 3 silly mistakes that could keep you from retiring early. But by avoiding these mistakes and following a sound investment strategy, you can increase your chances of achieving your retirement goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.